Virgilio, and this is my 2016 wide-body Mazda 3. Originally, before the kit, it was my dad's car, and I didn't really have anything else to drive, so he just gave it to me and bought his own new car. Well, I really like the look of wide bodies, and specifically the BRZ FRS Rocket Bunny kit, and it looks very similar to it. It took about 3 to 4 months to ship over from Thailand, and it was about $7 grand, including shipping and all that sort of cost. Well, there's the wide body kit. That's some DRLs in the front. 3-piece work wheels, L1 3-piece Workmeisters. And then as far as suspension, Airlift Performance. It's one of 2 in the United States. The other one is also in California. I'm planning to wait for the Cork Sport Turbo or engine swap it.
It's gonna be my first ride in the Mazda 3 wide body. This is the second one, or well, it's one of 2 in California, but we're gonna get this going. Okay. So you're gonna hear the air compressor in the background, but this car is stick. That's really cool. Has a little nice carbon fiber shift knob. But we're gonna go on a little ride. Give us a little breakdown of how much you've put into the car so far.
Well, the body kit was $7 grand for the kit and shipping over, and the wheels were 45, including shipping, and then the tires were another 2,500.
What about the air suspension?
The air suspension was 45, I think.
Okay, so if we're doing the math, it's looking like he's got at least 20 grand into the build. But it's one of the most unique Mazda 3s out there, so it makes a lot of sense why it was pretty costly. Like he said before, it's one of 2, and surprisingly the second one is in California. But we're just going on a little ride. It's really cool that his is stick. That's more on the rare side. What are some of the issues you've ran into with the wide body kit?
It rubs a lot when I turn. The wheels in the front are 17 by 11s, and in the back they're 17 by 12s. I plan to fix that by making them a little smaller.